4 frequently asked questions about Instagram that I get constantly from agents. Number 1, should I have a personal account and a business account, or one that combines both? I really don't understand at this point how people are still asking this. You think people want to see your shit twice on both your personal and your business? They don't want to see it at all right? You should absolutely have one account that combines both. Accounts that only pump out just solds and just listeds are, of course, boring. Nobody wants to see a real estate robot. They want to see a healthy mix of what you're doing and who you are. Show yourself, your personality, your hobbies, and your family or something. This will attract the right clientele as your followers get to know you, trust you, and relate with you. All right, number 2, when is the best time to post? All right, short answer, there isn't a best time to post. It really doesn't matter that much. Posting around the same time consistently is more important than trying to figure out the right time. You can always, view your insights and see when your followers are most active, but I haven't even really found that makes much of a difference. I would just test out different posting times and see what performs best for you and stick with that. Check out these insights on my page. Looking at this, it appears that the best times to post are between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Also, if you're launching a piece of content that you really care about, don't do it at 12 a.m. when everyone is either blacked out drunk or asleep. You got to post it when people are by their phones. In my experience, posts always seem to perform best Monday through Thursday and kind of tend to get less engagement on Friday. Maybe it's because people are kind of finishing up the work week and aren't starting, they're not like staring at their phones as much, I guess. I don't know. I always use it as an excuse. People aren't by their phones when I just post something that's dog shit. Realistically, if a post performs bad, because the post just sucked, So it's not the time you posted it or that people were, in Montauk or something like that. It's because they just didn't like it. Weekends, my content actually performs decent on weekends. I actually realize stories perform really well for me on weekends. I think it's because people want to see what everyone's doing. They want to see you partying. They want to see you on a boat or something like that. So stories perform really well on weekends. All right, how often I should post? How often should you post? Again, it's not really about how often you should post, but more about posting consistently. For my account, I found a nice solid cadence around 2 to 3 feed posts per day and 5 to 10 story posts. This formula has brought me consistent growth where I gain about the same amount of followers every week. However, I have noticed that if I post less, I gain less followers. Absolutely. If I don't post on my story and I'm only doing 1 feed post a day, way less followers than if I'm following that original formula. So I would say definitely the more volume, the better, because this platform's so oversaturated. No one's seeing your shit anyway. Post nonstop. All right, number 4, do I have to post reels? If you want to grow your account in 2022, the answer is yes. And of course, you have to post reels. It's the only thing Instagram's pushing now. So reels. End the video. Like and subscribe.